Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau. In the last video, we talked about how to turn this into Excel table on the individual worksheets, and for this is on the third worksheet, and then how to navigate one worksheet after another. Now, when we combine both of these and with some checking, we can actually turn every table that we found in every worksheet into an Excel table just by running this code. And you need to understand that we use the for each, and that's to check each worksheet. And because there are some worksheets which is hidden, so when the worksheet is hidden, we cannot select it, and we cannot convert it to Excel table. Therefore, we need to add a if function to do just that. After we know that that worksheet is visible, that means it's not high, then what we do is that we select the worksheet, and the second step is that we get the last row of the current worksheet, and finally we call the list objects method, turn this into an Excel table, name it with the prefix which is day followed by the worksheet name. So for example, this will be day 01. And to do a checking, I put it a debugger print to print what have I done, where have I completed. Then once we finish this worksheet, we go to the next worksheet. See, that's the one. So now let's try this out. So I'm going to put a dot here just to pause it. It's called breakpoint. I will just run this code and look at that. The first one is the everyone worksheet. Let's see. Basically, we already have gone through that. Let's see. Let's say I'm here, okay? And I will just run this code by pressing F8 key. Look at that. It goes to the 01, which is the first visible worksheet, and followed by selecting the cell B1 all the way to the last row. We get that and convert to Excel table. The prefix is day and the worksheet name is this. See, that's 01 and there's a worksheet, and we now converted Excel table in the third worksheet as the worksheet name is called 01, and we complete that. We go to the next one, then we go to the 02, we do the same, get the last row and convert it into Excel table. We name it as day 02, and we do the same until you see that I go to the next one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. We might get an error in a short while. Yeah, let's see. So just next it, and the next one is correct. And do we have the last row? Do we have this one? Oh yeah. But actually not very nice. You see that there is no value here. This 06, actually there's no column, so we want to skip this also. So not only that the worksheets must be visible, we also need to check whether that current worksheet, this cell here, has a value. So we gotta check dot value, is it not equal to empty, then only we do what is needed. Okay, so it must be visible and is not equal to. So when we have two combined, we can actually use the AND function to replace that. So it has to be a visible worksheet, and also it has to be that the cell B1 has a value. It's not empty. The B1 has to be not empty. Then only we do the select current worksheet, and then we get the last row, and then convert that into Excel table. As for now, this doesn't make really sense because we don't want this thing. So once we have converted this thing, we can go into that. We can click OK. Okay, we click OK. Assuming we only have first 5 worksheets. Now we can go to the from table range, which is the Power Query, and let's see what we get. we must always try out something. Yeah, this is the current worksheet, and then we just remove this and enter. Oh, look at that. We have the first one here, and we have the second one here, with the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one. See, this one is not needed. So that's why in 06 we don't want it, right? Well, how do you do this? You can go to here, click on this, and uncheck this item, click OK, and we have a lot of dates here. See the first date, the second date, see the day one, the second day, and so on. Right? If you don't need the what do you call that? The underscore. You can right click and choose. You just replace the value here. Replace the value. The underscore value turn it into nothing, and then again replace the value day into nothing. But actually you have that also here. You don't really need this because you already have a date here. So yeah, we can just remove the whole thing. We don't need to replace it. And this one is just a remark column, so maybe they need it. And you can change this. Now you can see there's a lot of now value which is generated from the very source, the what we call that, day number 6, because we have not write that escape. Okay, so now you just close and load into a new worksheet. We're basically combining the first 5 worksheets. So it takes a while. Wow, is it that? Ah, yeah, because the day 6 are very terrible. Cannot use that. So maybe we're going to right click. Can we just pause it? Yeah, we can cancel it. So we just go to edit and check the now. Click OK and load again. Okay, so you can see that here. Yeah, so that's not the date. Let's just double click, edit it. Very important in Power Query, you need to specify what type is it. This could be the time, so you can change that. For now, I just change one. It's a date. See the date, second, third. Yeah, so now you can combine all of this. Okay, so that's just how you work together with macro and Power Query to achieve something that is very time consuming. I hope this will reduce your suffering on consolidating those reports. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.